Meaning of garnish.
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 Garnish. The word garnish is commonly used to refer to the act of adding decorative or complementary elements to a dish, beverage, or other item for aesthetic or flavor-enhancing purposes. This could involve adding parsley to a plate of pasta for visual appeal, or a slice of lemon to a glass of water for added flavor. In a legal context, the term garnish can also refer to the act of seizing a portion of someone's wages or assets in order to satisfy a debt or legal obligation. Overall, garnishing is a way to enhance the presentation or usefulness of something through the addition of attractive or functional elements.